khona lo mdanso lo wasegoli lo ngathi amahliphihliphi anje angilazi igama lakhona mana bawudansa kanje. Yini igama lawo? Manje khona wazi ugama lalo mdanso leyana?
Hashim Askising Kaufelalona Batong. Hey, welcome everyone. This is Davis Mukhomo and you are watching Mzansi's finest videos. Please like, comment and share, guys. It will help out a lot. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Still share.
Ngabona mongena mali ku family gathering mokhuluma kuba ngathi uzama cause confusion. Uzama uqeda crazy point lapha abamane bathi okay guys let's be serious ke manje. That time uqeda ukusho into evuthiwe.
Fanele ivuthe ngesingisi. Iskipha something isithandayo.
Sihle kona nokusiqomela kodwa amabheka ngazusiya. Yobusala.
Is it Kaizer Chiefs shit?
Usho ngani? Awu ngisho phela ngoba phela intodazi yakumela ngibakhathazekile yabo baby. Mhlambe kucheck. Human trafficking iningi baby.
Baby kahle bongisahlala.
Lo sisi makafunde iskipha sithi phuma.
Ngoba sonto amabili.
Phuma uyekini.
Angikazi ukuthi bathini ekhaya. Angike ekhaya ngithi ngilonje mama.
Indaba enawo sanda sana.
Hayi mina angibazi. Yazi ukuthi mina phela ngiyohlala no 4 months and a day.
Waze wasusa inkinga.
Uzobuya sikezeni isikhathi leshani bese siyalala. Sasolude kabusuku bakusasa.
Akapaki ayekubo.
Okay baby.
Yeah, vele mawungena laptop negown uzobona engathi le weather yokuye bafanele. All of a sudden sofuna ukuza kimi ngoba manje ngiyabanda mekushisa ungishanga bomb. Ini ngiyatonya sofuna ingubo zami.
Laptop and
For what? Sophuza ikofi yami. Hayi man hlala kini wena.
Is it on the system now there?
Huh?
On the computer?
And they just have to computer. Machine.
Yeah, where is my registration number there?
They wait, they mangangi.
Sorry?
They wait, don't mangangi.
No, don't you speak English?
I can we did to mangangi, they manga.
Hey mujolo wanyisa hey mu South Africa mujolo iri tongi uyithladile titlalani yengwe yashwa titlalani yengwe yashwa kithi stress fela le ditongi
ene batswadi ke ba bona re ba byang ke ditleva ha o le moshimana sko ba direla backroom hore o nne wa morao ebe o ka re wena ka mojarateng o hiri la kampanela re ke ba bigele ke nna go ntlong kampane. That's why unana why ba re wa impia go bala kontle na ke impia ke lo go bala go.
Baby please forgive me and Chauke we had one time thing. It was a mistake kanthwekana Chauke yer
baby angithi awufuna ukugeza nje uthi ngigeza. If you answer this riddle correctly now I'm gonna go do the dishes. Yeah.
Riddle me.
There are 2 sons and 2 fathers in the car. How many people are in the car?
2 sons, 2 fathers.
There are 2 fathers and 2 sons in the car. How many people are in the car?
6.
And then I'm counting down 5.
6.
2 sons and 2 fathers. 3. There's 3 people.
What makes you say 3?
Because there's the son and there's a son in the car and 2 fathers. There's a son outside of the car.
No, there are 2 sons. No matter out 2. Emotweni.
About
2. How many people are in the car?
I think 6, man. Maybe 6.
Happy birthday, Chomi. Kiku kwa hawe.
Huh?
Happy birthday to your friend. Don't give him against her. This is your daughter. Happy birthday. Oh, charge her again. Okay? Oh, hello, look at the nane. Lina can't tell me Kukunya. Yeah, I'm Siama. Oh, Lamangande. Oh, umechisa huku hakupingi.
Mani mbona ngimtshela ukuthi ngiyamthanda uJomo.
Oh.
Jomo ngiyacela. Ngicela ubuye ekhaya Jomo ngiyacela.
Joman.
Mfethu, this is not funny. Ayisahleke silento
Joman.
Kuthiwa usebenza kwaHulumeni but ngeke ngisho ukuthi usebenzela kuphi. Kuthi uhambe waye bank wafika wayoboleka isamba semali wanikeza uJomo bavumelana noJomo ukuthi uzomnikeza imali ukuthi ahamba yomlobola. Nangempela kuthi usisi ufike wenza amalungiselelo washo kube ukuthi uzofika omalume bakube kwaJomo bazomlobola. Kwalungiswa wathenga izinto kwalungiswa kube kulinda uJomo. Kuthi uJomo ngelanga lamalobola khala amaphepha. This is not funny, guys. Akafika nguJomo.
uJomo uhambe nemali.
Umblock everywhere bayamfonela uJomo akatholakala and usisi ukuthi ubanjwe ezama ukuzilengisa. Bafike ngeke umntana abantu ayokuthathela imali yeloan athi umlobole bese wena uyolobola
intombazana. Yenza kahle baba.
Ukuthi ulobole enye intombazana. Sesicela imali ke manje ibuye bafethu nomuntu owazi uJomo sicela sitholele uJomo bafethu.
uJomo.
Batho ngoko lempotsemfa nare dikhenetse di etsa bokae because ka bana no no yana batho setsa ba di phamola le mo melomo sentse re no bojalo
nga jani ngichere ngasaba abazali bami I problem lento ukuthi jona umuntu ongasaba abazali bakho le chere sidlele like for some reason we woke up late so angikhona kumkhapha umama nogogo bavukile bahlele stupid bangizwile ukuthi ngine nomuntu la nto mzana inside toilet ngathi ungayi toilet nali bucket athi Bagete sikhumbuzo mina. Hayi, wagcoka iskipa sami, waphuma wabheka ugogo wami nomama wathi, "Yabo ndaba." Ya, bondaba.
Abomzanyo.
Ngiyakutshela, lo mntwana ufuna ukungifaka enkingeni kuyi-shoes day. Ngiyakutshela cishe ngafa uzithole sekashaya ama-flying kick for ukungisindisa. Ungishayelani? For loko ngiyayithatha le 1 rand ngiyothenga ama-snacks ngayo.
Bayokusurvivisa.
Atona mina lo ngithenge discount menge ngikhiphe 60 rand straight.
Ngabe uthenga kamkhize mos kulesi.
Alo mkhize mos uzenza ngcono.
Tumpe. Ngeva kuthiwa kunotompo tompo. Angabe uyashaya. Ngiyothatha lo mntu uzongilandela.
Ngamyeke nyovest. Ngiyakutshela ize kimi izoboleka isikhala.
Uthi tona kuboleka iyari.
Naya laphayane maru sheshe ngifuna ukuyisebenzisa. Ithi yoqeda uSteve Ovo ngehariki makafika imthola sazivalele.
Yes, asadla umtoko.
Awunesibini.
Oh, uyantombi. Ima kancane nyeke.
Ngicela niye kuNyovest nongilandele ihariki ngifuna ukuyisebenzisa. Unyovest ulinde waze walinda next ukuphuma uSteve Ovo.
Uthawukwathe selande ihariki.
Immediately abantwana mabaqeda ukuthatha le yarika ithembile avumba uSteve Ovo ngiyakutshela unenye timing
ya Ntombi ungibizelanga ehlala uthini ndoda
sale sesiyeka mfethu ngoba sokuphumelele
uyahlanya ngiphumela ama-ala
yo
bakhomphela ngaye bathi ne-attitude bathutshela amafeni wakhe ukuthi ngiyahlanya nine-memory loss
liphumile iphondo
likaphondo abanye nasemamoli lapha ukuthi yena hey bangazomdinga abanye abanye abantu ifame yabadakwa nje nge-album eyi-one nje album eyi-one nakhona i-album yakhona nje ukuthi ibe mnandi is because uMaphorisa is involved. Umaphorisa is very talented. Make no mistake, that guy is very talented. Everything I touch, I tend to be a gold. Manje uzodumanyana nge-album eyi-one nje ingoma khona bathini bathini benzani bafunani usubona ngathi wena i-South Africa lena hey you are the big fish. Humble yourself mfanami la kusemhlabeni la ubuza abo something Soweto aba ne-attitude abantu ithi makahlukana namaphorisa bamshiya manje nawe ngiyakubona ukuthi hey they also phapha ngakhona hey so uyaflya uhambela le phezulu carry on the higher you go the colder is become sizokukhumbuza la social media sokukhumbuza ilife ukuhambula lapha babuze the best esibaziyo they were under Maphorisa baba ne-attitude ngoba badakwa ama-bookings left and right baba ne-attitude nawe ngiyakubona uyatrenda ku-TikTok ebuye uyaphendula nokuphendula utshela amafele wena hey watwaphi usadla isikhathi sakho sidle this is your time to shine man wazi ukuthi social media will destroy you and will humble you bazokufundisa wona lamavidiyo lawo lokwayenza la nge-pride ukuthi wena 1 2 3 uzoba nenkinga noMaphorisa then akulahle akade ukulahla uzobona ukuthi abantu kahle abathandi wena bebathanda uMaphorisa yadume nje ukuthi angazi wenzani bathini wena bathi wayebona le bathini le yaphela fanele urelease futhi urelease asazi ukuthi ezayo ezoba mnandi ngoba kudala mabafika vele abacala
ngezorelease impendulo
okay bathi first album vele ikufaka ivavavu manje ma wena sophapha sohambela le hayi phapha futhi sohlangana kufinal le bathini le phela yaphela ngeke uzothi bathini until June fanele iphume phela kungene enye phela
bayaphendula uhambile njalo. Okay. Hey guys, thanks for making it this far. I really appreciate you a lot. Please comment, like and share. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. It will help out the channel grow. Azish.
Sanibonani guys, tell me something. So abanye abantu abangafani nathi ngebala mabasibhekile thina masiye esikolweni babona ngazathi mhlambe ama degree wethu siyanikwa nje yabo bayasihawukela mhlambe bese bathi nayi degree thatha or like do they know ukuthi like siya qualify ukungena lapho first of all and emele over qualify ukuthi ungene because of ibala lapho and kune quota system maso ungene phakathi awunawo wena ama advantages we scope ufunda i-textbook yonke wena also ku-practical work yakho nakuma clinical sessions wakho bakujaja more harshly meaning ukuthi yonke into kumele uyenze to the T ukuze ukuthi ukhona ukuphasiswa and this is generally why sigcina si-good emsebenzini yethu because the system is just extra hard on us, you understand? So then bese ke so uyahamba kuyopractice ke manje so uyapractice maso practice kanjalo then you have a patient efana nale benginayo mina a few days ago guys. Few things offend me especially things like this because mina I don't have an inferiority complex so anginendaba ukuthi abantu abangafani nami baqabanga ngami. I don't feel that thing yokuthi I'm inferior, I need to work extra hard. I like sorted through that through high school, through varsity, and now I'm just like standing firm in my blackness and I am just like I'm just so certain of my confidence as umuntu omnyama. I don't need validation yalaba bantu labaya. Kodwa ke wafika ke lusisi lo uyikhaladi hey bo azange angiqhwinise kanje intombazana, azange angiqhwinise kanje. Uthe angena nje wangibuka so. Ngathi mina, hello, I'm Dr. Bashili, I'll be the one treating you today. She's like, oh, yabo nje already akafuni. Ahlale phansi ke. Nayihlele phansi ngiyamchaza ngithi ayinkinga yakho sisi ngimcheck, ngiyamtshela ukuthi inkinga yakho sisi idinga specialist at this point yabo. Ayikho into esingakhona kuyenza. Ngicela ukuthi ngilandele omunye udokotela, ngicela ngilandele nje omunye udokotela ozongitshela into engiyizwayo. Zange ngisuke ekudeni kangaka, ngisuke ePitori mina ngiyeze eCape Town, ngifuna i-solution for the problem. Uzongihlalisa 5 minutes uzongitshela amaqeda lakho ukuthi angiyokho ngisisi ngilandele omunye udokotela please oyazi into ayenzayo. Hawu, okay. Sahambe ke ngiyolanda onebala elimhlophe. Afike ke loyo mekefika verbatim aphinde lento engisho word for word bengathi basibhalela iscript, even the sequence, the explanation, everything. You know why? Because I didn't like get my degree from, I don't know, a lucky packet, guys. Yo, I said feel kuba mnyama lo uzosise ungofendile because beyangadeleli ngamagama kuphela, beyadelela even ngama facial expressions you get. So it was bad. It was just like after that she was so humble, but she didn't apologize. Kodwa nje bekuphelile upapa because why like